Hi, this is Dr. Serena Satcher. I'm talking this month about stress, and we've had quite a few questions. So the next question was, what causes stress? So there are some commonly mentioned causes of stress that come up in surveys and studies on stress. I'm going to list them here: lack of job satisfaction, heavy workload or too much responsibility at work, working long hours, dangerous conditions, no chance for advancement at work, having poor management and unclear expectations of your work or lack of input in decision making, race-based stress, sexual harassment, sex-based stress and discrimination, major life stressors, for instance, family deaths, new babies, new job, new marriage, a new home, newly moved, internal stress like worrying, anxiety, mental health issues, depression, racialized discrimination, stress or belonging to marginalized groups, uncertainty, fear, attitudes, perceptions, unrealistic expectations, any major life changes. And I'll add to this list that many people are overindulging in the media right now, watching too much of the news on TV in which there's a lot of negative, or consuming too much news, I would add to this list.